All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this Berg Blades Production Slim in the house. Just for a quick check, let's see what's in the box. We find like a nice card, which is always pretty cool to see. You know, materials employed, a year, and a nice logo. It's like a pretty presentation with this foamy box you get with these. Pretty cool piece of titanium N20 civil. Would you look at this, guys? Let's check the size first. We're gonna do it in centimeters today. We have like 6.5 centimeters for the blade, 10.5 at least, almost for the handle, and I would say 17 centimeters overall. So I would say, you see, that's a neon from Shiro. It's not too big. Like, I want to show you something. Look at that. Nandi from Chris Reeve. Something kind of like on the smaller line. You see the duckling from Cody Utzler. A little bit bigger stuff, maybe from Shiro, like something unusual you never saw. Something like that. And what else? Like a pretty cool Holt Spectre I could show you today for the size comparison of this little fella from Berg Blades, guys. This is an interesting one. It's a chunky one. It's yeah, it's pretty thick, but it's I don't know how to say. There is something beautiful about this. First of all, the design is just great. I mean, it's a titanium frame lock with 20 CV steel, but the design is just great. I really love the really tall blade. This cleaver kind of compound, like look at the not compound, sorry, flat grind with this wedge aggressively done thumb hole. I mean, the blade is fantastic. The handle also is pretty cool. Look at the blue ano stone wash titanium with micro milling. You can see the tool kind of, I don't know if this is like an actual micro milling or just the passes from the tool, but it's surely looking pretty good. A nice chamfer all around the side. It's finished very nicely. I love this blue. Guys, this thing rocks, like super strong. There's no internal skeletonization on the scale, so you're gonna see that reflected in the weight. Of course, check it out. That's a limited edition. It's numbered. It's still a production. Oh, guys, this sound it makes is just fantastic. You get a nice titanium pocket clip. Pretty cool tension in and out of the pocket is gonna be pretty good. Blue ano hardware. You see it's just going through. It's not screwed into the scale, so that's always a nice touch, as you can see, through the back spacer with some geared jimping action going on over here. You can't really feel it, but still, look at that. Stainless steel lock face insert. It's screwed in from the outside. Nice and flush with the lock side, as you can see. Pretty cool lock up, solid. Really, really snappy detent, guys. Like even like a spidey flick and a thumb flick are really firing hard, and ooh, it's just like a little one. I mean, it's a little pop, right? It's pretty good. Let's check actually the thickness of the blade. Let me see. 4 millimeters, and see behind the edge we got 0.43. Yeah, it's not too bad. You see some Berg Blades logo going on over here. Stera looking stone washed, kind of like a dark wash kind of affair going on for the thick blade, but I mean, it is pretty centered, safely recessed tip. Yeah, works pretty well. I mean, the design, for me, it's killer. Like, these lines are just top. Like, really, I love this fella. It's very good, like utility shred boxes like a boss. Also, like, it's pretty comfy in the hand, like, because you have a chamfer going on over here, like in this area, it's very comfortable, so that works well. You have a nice touch like for the pivot collar. It's a little subtle detail that I truly appreciate. This guy of course is running on bearings, but as you can see the action is not a drop shot even if the blade is pretty thick, but just like a little nudge and it's gonna be closed. The thumb hole is just working great. You can just do even like a slow roll like that. So it's very nice. You can spidey flick it like so. It has that fidget factor and rocks so hard that you're gonna enjoy it. That's for sure. But also it's like very utilitarian and you can just put it to work because it's like hard. It's built like a tank. It's really overbuilt for like such a small folder. Actually, let's check the weight on this fella right over here. Let me see, because yeah, you kind of have some heft to it. Look at this, 158 grams, 0.1, which is 5.58 ounces if you are curious. But still, guys, this is a pretty cool one. It's well put together. The fit and finish is perfect, I would say. No rattling. It's there's no flex, no. I mean, super flush surfaces. The ergonomics are also good. In the hand, feels very good with the jimping. Very aggressive. Your thumb is not gonna go anywhere, but everything else is chamfered nicely, so it's comfy. You have like a sharpening choil right over here. It's nice and sharp, pretty much 100% belly on a flat grind, a little bit of a swedge and chamfered hole, but guys, it's smooth, it's nice, and it's fun and sounds also theok, like wow. Ooh. I really hope you guys can appreciate the thwack of this little beast. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.